Hello everyone, my name is Chandra Tynevez-Dobel and I am an elementary school teacher here in Edmonton. When I first graduated from university, I went to Seoul, South Korea, and I taught English as a second language to elementary school students there for a year. Then I returned here to Alberta and I taught in a mainstream classroom for a few years. Then for the past several years of my career, I've been teaching French as a second language, and I really enjoy that. Languages have always been a very important part of my career and my personal interests. When I was a young child, I went to school in the French immersion program, and then later on as an adult, I ended up marrying a man from France, and we now have 2 young daughters that we are raising in a bilingual household. So it's something that I'm very personally interested in. So as a part of my whole master's program, I'm hoping to delve a little bit deeper into the area of second language acquisition and second language teaching, but in this course as well, just learning languages in general and how to teach about language. And so a little bit more about me. This is my first class in graduate studies, and I'm really excited to begin this new learning adventure. My 2 daughters are 4 and 2. The oldest, her name is Maya Lise, and my youngest's name is Cami. We are a very busy family, and we spend most of our time together playing outside, coloring, Play-Doh, making a mess, all that kind of fun stuff. And we also have 2 dogs that we share a home with. One of them is snuggling right over here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm very excited to meet all of you and work with all of you. So yeah, nice to meet all of you, and bye.